In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Firebase to Firestore. By the end, you'll have a Firestore database created and ready to use within your Firebase project. First, open the Firebase console in your browser and make sure you're in the correct project. If you have multiple projects, select the one you want to work with from the project picker at the top. Once you're on the project overview, look to the left sidebar and hover over the Databases and Storage section. This reveals options for different Firebase data products. Choose Firestore from that menu to open the Firestore landing page. Here, click Create Database to begin the setup flow. You'll immediately see a choice between different Firestore editions. There's a Standard Edition and an Enterprise Edition. Feel free to click into Enterprise to preview its features and pricing differences, but for this walkthrough, we'll proceed with the Standard Edition because it's the most common starting point. With Standard selected, click Next. Now, set the database ID. Most projects use the default ID, which is perfectly fine for a single database. If you're working with multiple databases in the same project, you can name it to match your environment, like development or production. Next, choose a location. Pick a region close to your users or your server infrastructure to minimize latency. Keep in mind that region is a long-term decision and can't be changed later without creating a new database, so choose carefully. When you're ready, click Next. You'll now decide how to start with security rules. Production mode is the recommended choice for real apps because it restricts access to authenticated users and follows least privilege principles out of the box. Test mode is more permissive and useful for quick local experiments, but it's temporary and not safe for public apps. For this example, select production mode so your data stays protected as you build. You can always refine your rules later to match your app's needs. Finally, click Create. Firestore will provision your database, which may take a moment. When the setup completes, you'll land in the Firestore console where you can add collections and documents, manage indexes, and adjust your security rules. From here, you're ready to integrate Firestore into your application code using the Firebase SDKs for the web, Android, iOS, or server environments. That's it. Your Firebase project is now connected to Firestore with a secure, well-configured starting point. If you found this helpful, keep building and explore rules, indexes, and monitoring to get the most out of your new database.